Composed by Reynaldo Hahn. I'd have to say the best thing I like about the song would be the beauty of it. It's very peaceful and graceful.
It's very light, and it feels very good to sing, and it's also a religious song. It talks about how the bread that is most holy breaks all earthly symbols and is shared with common men and servants. It's a Christian song. I usually only do Christian pieces, actually. It's talking about when the Lord comes back and we go and we ascend to heaven with him. Well, this song, I like how it's slow and it has then the parts in minor. I think it puts emphasis on the meaning of the words.